To get started with Desmos, go to student.desmos.com, enter your class code, and click the Join button. Sign in with your school Google account and enter your name to begin. Most activities will have an introduction screen to tell you what the activity is about. You can use the previous and next buttons in the top right to navigate through the activity. Some activities might ask you about what you already know or check in with how you're going. You can click one of these to share your ideas and type a sentence or two to explain your thinking. Other parts of the activity will be multiple choice and give you a chance to explain your thinking. If you change your mind, you can select a new option or even go back to a previous screen. Read the information in each section so you know what you need to do. Some graphs are interactive. Read the instructions to know how you can change it and explain your ideas. Some graphs will have multiple elements. Read through the instructions on the left-hand side as well as the title to know what things you can change. In this case, there's a missing y value in the table. Can you use the pattern to predict what number belongs there? You can also interact with the zoom controls and scroll around the graph to view other points. Use sliders to interact with elements of the graph as well. You might be shown information from earlier in the activity to give you some ideas for what you can write. If you need to go back and change your answer, use the previous button to do that. Some screens in the activity will encourage you to play with the controls to consider the connection between an equation, a table of values, and a graph. Here you have a complete table of values which plots some points on the graph. Can you work out the equation for these points? How do you know you have the right equation? For the remainder of this activity, the instructions are to use the table of values to work out the equation of the line. Use the controls to view the points from the table of values, and try different equations until you know they fit with the table of values. Take the activity as far as you can, and when you reach the end, write down the thoughts and the things that you've worked out so far.